Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about short haircut ideas for older women. If you are over 50 or 60 and want a fresh stylish look, short haircut are perfect. They are easy to manage, make you look younger and give a modern look, confident style. Let's explore some great idea. Classic bob haircut idea. The first idea is a classic bob. This haircut is simple and elegant. It usually ends around your jawline or slightly blue. You can have it straight or slightly wavy. A bob gives a neat look and is very easy to style. You can also add soft layers to make it look lighter and more modern. Next we have the pixie cut. This is a very short haircut. Usually above your ears. It is bold, stylish and perfect if you want low maintenance hair. You can keep it simple or add texture to make it look playful. A pixie cut can highlight your facial features and is great for showing off natural hair color. Another option is layered short hair. Layers give movement and volume, which is great if your hair is thin. You can try short layers around your face to soften your look. This style looks natural and lively. It works well for both straight and wavy hair. Shaggy short haircut is trendy choice. It has uneven layers that make your hair look fuller and more dramatic. You can add bangs or keep your feathered open. This style gives a youthful, fun vibe and is very versatile. When choosing a short haircut, consider your face shape, hair texture and lifestyle. Short hair is easy to wash and style, but using good hair products is important to keep it healthy. Regular trims will keep your haircut looking fresh and stylish. So these were some short haircut ideas for older women. They were you choosing a bob, pixie, layered cut or shaggy style. Short hair can make you look confident and elegant. Try something new today and enjoy your fresh, beautiful look. Keep visiting my channel for more designs and more ideas. You can see my ideas, you can enjoy my videos. You can share these beautiful, attractive ideas with your friends, family. Each design is different, one another beautiful and attractive. Mind-blowing designs, mind-blowing ideas for your sweet ladies. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.